Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your brand image with Etsy, beginner guide step by step clearly. Establish a clear and consistent brand identity. Choose a memorable name that reflects your products and values. Create a cohesive visual style, including your logo and color palette. Craft an engaging brand story that resonates with your target audience. Optimize your Etsy shop by filling out all necessary fields. Write a compelling shop description that captures your brand essence. Use high-quality images for your products that showcase their details. Incorporate keywords in your product listings for better visibility. Maintain a professional tone in all your interactions and communications. Respond to customer inquiries promptly and courteously. Encourage positive reviews by providing excellent customer service. Address negative reviews promptly and professionally. Monitor social media to manage your online reputation. Share behind-the-scenes content to build a personal connection with your audience. Engage with your community by participating in Etsy forums and events. Collaborate with other Etsy sellers to expand your reach and credibility. Stay up to date with Etsy's policies and guidelines to avoid potential pitfalls. Regularly evaluate your brand image and make necessary adjustments. Use analytics to track your shop's performance and customer feedback. Invest in branding materials like business cards and packaging. Showcase your values through your product choices and practices. Build a consistent customer experience across all touchpoints. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.